Here we are, Wailea Maui. Awesome. Smile. It's the perfect shot. Love it. Kayaking in Maui. Okay, heads up, big waves behind you. Alright. Right here. Woo! It's because it's getting shallow. Alright, it's coming back at you. You're missing people.
You're missing people? Oh, wait. That's where they went.
Darn, I hate when I lose people.
Like my jokes.
That's why you keep your way in the back.
Exactly.
I'm filming you because I'm impressed. Okay. This is the part where I scare you. This is the survival test. All right, that was refreshing. Thanks for the hat. I totally spaced that I had it on my head.
What's the yard sale? Well,
I have it on film.
Oh, I was like, where did you go? And I didn't realize you watched it. I thought maybe you went on that way.
It was a small wipeout.